So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can swap the left and right audio channels on the Premiere Pro. Now, for example, if I just simply uh, create, I just want to replace this left to right audio channel for this audio clip. I just simply need to enable the effects panel under here, and here under the effects panel, just simply search for the effects called left fill. Here you can see fill left with right or fill right with left. Just simply apply it to the video and apply both of them. Now what it gonna do, it will swap both the channels right there, and you'll notice that the left audio will started to coming on from the right audio. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.